Holiday Twin Rinks closed once again today, and once again it was an issue with carbon monoxide at that Cheektowaga ice rink. I'm Dave McKinley. That is the same problem that occurred there about a month ago and which shut down the facility for about a week after that. Joining us side's Keelan Berrien joins us live from outside the rinks with more. Keelan?
Yeah, Dave, fortunately, the situation was handled quickly. But other than that, around 1 o'clock today, Holiday Twin Rinks took to Facebook saying their equipment was having emissions problems again. So they evacuated the building and closed it down for the day. Video obtained by Two on Your Side shows the moment hockey players quickly left the ice at Holiday Twin Rinks as carbon monoxide alarms went off Saturday morning. If you listen closely, you can hear the beeps from the alarm. When Two on Your Side arrived, fire inspectors were on the scene, National Fuel was there, along with a few parents waiting for their kids to come out, but no one wanted to talk to us. Twin Rinks took to Facebook to tell everyone what was happening. The ice resurfacers emissions were having issues again. They shut their doors, and just a few hours later, the rinks posted they will remain closed on Sunday as well. Now, this is the second time customers were forced out of the building because of carbon monoxide problems. You may remember a little over a month ago when we first reported that the rinks closed for a week after 100 people got carbon monoxide poisoning. In that incident, video caught someone on the ice saying the carbon dioxide detectors are going off, with another person saying, "Yeah, we know, we can't fix it." Since then, the rink has been installed with new detectors, fixed heating units, and the building's filtration system. We called Cheektowaga Supervising Code Enforcement Officer Rick Colburn, but he was not available to talk to us. Now, when this incident happened the last time, Assemblywoman Monica Wallace actually championed a bill to prevent things like this from happening again in the future. But again, we just want to reiterate, the rinks will be closed tomorrow, and we will just keep you guys updated along the way until these problems is fixed. On your side, outside of the Holiday Rinks, Keelan Berrien, Channel 2 News.